Okay. Let's see. So we've got to start in the parentheses in here. And what are we going to do first in there? Should I do this subtraction? No, remember adding, subtracting is always last when you do the order of operations, the PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, the parentheses, the exponents, which is powers, the multiplying and dividing, the adding and subtracting. Notice what's last. That's the most important thing in the order of operations is who's last. Last in line is adding and subtracting. So make sure you do those last. So I cannot subtract those. That would not be right. Instead, though, I will multiply these guys. See how they're times? So I'll do those. Let me bring everything else down. Just going to do one thing right now. So -1 times -9 is +9. Then I'll just bring down the -5. Everybody see right there? Negative times negative is positive. Okay. And then bring it down. What do we got? Now we finish. Now we're going to finish this parenthesis. 9 minus 5 is 4. Right, because all that really is parentheses. I had to finish the parentheses. So when it says P for parenthesis, it means finish any problem inside of a parenthesis. So that's what I did. All right, we get there. What do we do next? Can I come over here and can I add and subtract these guys? No, remember, adding, subtracting is last. So can't do that. Well, what do I do instead? I multiply these guys. Remember, adding, so that's the trick that you got to. That's the main thing that gets people is they'll accidentally add or subtract sooner than they should. So remember, adding, subtracting is last. Whenever you have another option, do the other option first. So I'm going to do this. This -3 is going to multiply first before he adds and subtracts with the 1. Okay. So what do we got here? -3 times 4 is -12. All right. Now I will add or subtract those two because I got to finish the brackets. A bracket is just a fancy parenthesis. The function is the same. You treat them exactly like you would a parenthesis, which means you got to do the problem inside the parentheses, or in this case, the bracket. 1 minus 12 is -11, huh? Right? Oops, bracket. Good to there, right? If you gain $1 and lose 12, -12 is a loss, right? Positives are gains, negatives are loss. If you gain $1 and lose 12, you lost 11. And then final step, now we multiply 2 times -11 minus 22. There we go. A lot of steps. So again, start with the parentheses, but you got to do the multiply first and then the subtraction. Then again, you got to multiply here before you do the add subtract, and then multiply in the end. There we go.